India's safest premium hatchback has become connected and a hot hatchback. Meet the Tata Altroz iTurbo. I am Anirban, you're watching Times of India, and today we're going to drive this. But do hit the like and share button before getting into the review. Altroz is the first hatchback based on Tata's Alpha architecture, a robust platform that has plans of going electric real soon. Now, the sub 4 meter premium hatchback always looked smart to me. Sharp lines on the chin, compact headlamp unit, 16-inch alloy wheels and the typical flyback waistline. The quirky design cues meant Tata has done enough to keep Altroz distinct from others. The only visible change on the body is this badging, iTurbo badging on the rear tailgate. Now, this is also a new color addition to the Altroz lineup, this nice, vibrant, vivid color. Now, also, Tata has introduced this new ZX A+ trim, and I promise you, there are more changes inside the cabin than you found on the body. Remember that Altroz specific digital watch which doubles up as a smart key? Nice to see that again. Now, inside the cabin, there are quite a few changes. First and foremost, look at the quality of seats. ZX A+ trim now comes with leatherite material with this tri-arrow design made all over it. Also, the color theme has been changed to an extent. You have this dual tone color going for the Altroz top trim. It is also a connected car now. We will touch upon that in a while. Few other minute changes here are like this Express AC button, which Tata claims that can cool the cabin 70% faster than usual air conditioning. Now, I like the cabin. Most things look familiar. You have the same digital instrument cluster with a couple of dials for the tacho and the speedo. Even the 7-inch floating instrument cluster remains the same. The design overall is eye-soothing, and I must say Altroz is still a very new car in the market, so there was no room or no scope for an facelift. It's time to check out the connectivity. In-car connectivity is becoming increasingly common. This new IRA technology we saw in the Tata Nexon for the first time. Now, the same technology has been transferred onto the Altroz. The app is available for both Android and iOS. I have downloaded the app, connected the car through Bluetooth. I'll give you a live demo of it. Now you could see there are quite a features that you can access through your connected technology. You can have location services, you can have vehicle security. Tata has also introduced What 3 Words with the Tata Altroz, and you also have a nice engaging telemetry going with you, which gives you a score on the basis of your driving pattern. Surely a very welcome addition to the Tata Altroz, but it is limited to the top trim only. By now, I think you can understand my biasness towards Tata Altroz. And why not? I think it is one of the most dependable cars in the segment, drives well, and now it has got turbo. This turbo is a 1.2 liter petrol unit which puts out 110 PS power, 140 Newton meters of torque. It is a slightly detuned version of the Tata Nexon, but it only comes in a 5-speed manual. Surprisingly, the DCT is still some time away from us. The turbo spool is strong and punchy, revs without any fuss,
and has ample torque in the mid-range to make city runabouts a breeze. Rowing the 5-speed manual is decent, but it is not as smooth as a Hyundai. The big question is why not a 140 PS turbo petrol like the one in Nexon? We strongly believe a full-fledged turbo petrol should have arrived with the new variant of Altroz. A 0 to 100 kmph is claimed at 11.9 seconds.
Now there are a couple of things I really like about the Altroz iTurbo. I believe Tata has done quite a bit of job in cutting out the NVH levels. I remember when I drove the Altroz last time around, there was a lot of noise creeping inside the cabin. That's not anymore present, and that's a very good thing. Also, this turbo petrol returned us with almost 15.5 kilometers against a litre of petrol. We have driven over 150 kilometers, though these are for very initial record.
I always admired the way Altroz behaved on road. Well planted at triple digits, Altroz was equally sporty and stable around the corners. After all, it is the safest premium hatchback that money can buy.
Now there are more than 40,000 units of Tata Altroz already on road in less than a year's time. And with a new turbo variant, Tata will surely strengthen its case in the premium hatchback segment. The launch is scheduled on 21st of January. The prices of the turbo variant should start at ₹7 lakh ex-showroom. But I still believe the DCT and the automatic should have arrived by this time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with Times of India Auto for further news and updates.